Hello everyone. Have you ever wondered what happens when we include eggs in our daily diet? Well, get ready, because in this video, I'm going to reveal a series of incredible discoveries about the power of eggs in our bodies. I'm sure you'll be amazed by what's coming. Before we start, if you're new here, a warm welcome to you. Don't forget to like the video, it really helps the channel grow. And of course, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our videos full of valuable information. Eggs are known as superfoods, and by consuming them daily, you'll experience some amazing changes in your health and well-being. Let's discover them together. 1. Enhanced memory. Did you know that eggs are rich in choline, a nutrient directly linked to improved memory? If you often have memory lapses, this is a great reason to include eggs in your daily diet. 2. Stronger bones. Eggs are an excellent source of vitamin D, crucial for bone health. Having strong bones is essential, and eggs can help you achieve that goal. 3. Gorgeous hair. With biotin, vitamin B12, and proteins, eggs are the secret to healthier hair, less hair loss, and a radiant appearance. 4. Healthy weight loss. Are you looking to shed some pounds? Studies show that consuming eggs, especially for breakfast, helps control appetite, reducing the likelihood of indulging in junk food between meals. 5. Protection against cancer. Choline present in eggs not only enhances memory but can also reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. It's an extra layer of protection everyone should consider. 6. Muscle gain. Eggs are an excellent source of proteins and nutrients that promote muscle growth. Discover how to incorporate them into your workout routine for the best results. 7. Sharper vision. The lutein found in eggs is a powerful weapon in preventing eye problems and maintaining eye health. 8. Hormonal balance. Eggs also play a role in regulating and producing hormones properly, positively impacting your sexual health. 9. Anti-aging. Studies in the Netherlands have revealed that daily egg consumption can slow down premature aging, improving skin firmness and reducing age-related blemishes. Now, share with us in the comments how many eggs you usually consume daily. We'd love to hear from you. Remember to like the video, it truly helps the channel grow. And, of course, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss our daily videos filled with wellness, health, and nutrition tips. Stay tuned for more amazing content. Until next time. Bye.